Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Velo ZMA10, all things considered, shows a truly descending pattern, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. 31 July 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified pressing issues. Facts. What generally is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Velo, for the most part, is Velo a sort of wise speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, so Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they in every practical sense thought. Yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, certainly let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,177,517,732,560, which truly is genuinely critical. The all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $30,011,818,165, showing how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560 in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47% in a truly significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value lessening of 0.83%. Coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time span. Incredibly, XRP in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP in a real sense is somewhere near 2.36 and at present exchanging at 70 cents. Or so they most certainly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending heading for commonly present moment, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that XRP, the really local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 2.36 and presently exchanging at 70 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to, for the most part, distinguish all things considered, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of enormous manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more especially dynamic and, in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which vendors most certainly become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Following are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo really is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which certainly shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%. Or so they generally thought. However, Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82%, In the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a sort of complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. Incredibly, Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 31 July 2023. Inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how as of now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 2.36 and at present exchanging at 70 cents, or so they essentially thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving essentially normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Velo.The kind of relative strength record. RSI shows that the Velo coin fundamentally is an oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 30. Which generally is very huge. The Velo United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, basically is demonstrating a buy in large present moment in a real sense, sell truly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath beautiful sign line, which most certainly implies, especially bears in every way that really matters, are overwhelming on the lookout, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. While Velo's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and extremely transient pattern, truly inversion by and large is conceivable, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo in every practical sense is moving in descending heading, as certainly bears effectively essentially take the coin beneath quick help level of $0.004, so bulls can move the market in vertical course, exhibiting what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, or so they generally thought. Presently Velo ought to really track down a help at $0.004, or, in all likelihood the vendors could then focus on the pivotal help level set at $0.005, exhibiting how following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market record. Velo in a real sense is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which sort of shows what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to